Hello everyone, welcome back to Guide to Everything. In today's video, I'll show you on how you can rotate images in Photopea. Now basically the first thing that you want to do is to go ahead and open up your image on Photopea website. In my case, I'm just opening up a random image and dragging it inside the website right here, and then we'll end up with our own project. Basically from here, you then want to click your layer that you want to simply rotate. So since I only have a single layer, we then have our image right here, which is going to be the background or the main layer. From here, basically you can press Ctrl T on your keyboard, but when you do that, it's just going to open up another tab. So what we can simply do is to click on the transform controls, and then the blue outline will appear on the corner of your layer. So from there, you just want to resize your photo a bit. So the additional setting for transform will appear. Now, once we have this options right here, you can just head over to the settings for the rotation, which is going to be this one. Right now it's at 0 degrees. And so if you click and drag left and right, it will then simply rotate the photo. And so that's how you can simply rotate your photo in Photopea. Once again, to do that, it's extremely simple. Go ahead and click on your image right here. Click on transform controls. Go ahead and click on an outline, and then this option will appear on which you can then drag and drop this degree radius, on which you can then simply rotate your photo. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.